The Tour of Flanders, also known as de Ronde, is an annual road cycling race held in Belgium every spring, the most important cycling race in Flanders. The 108th edition of the Tour Des Flandres will be held on Sunday, March 31st. The race will set off from Antwerp to Oudenaarde after a 270.8-kilometer journey. It will have 17 mountains and 7 cobbled sections, but it will be necessary to wait more than 100 kilometers to see the first difficulty. The Vieux-Quaremont-Paterberg chain, the last difficulty of the day and located less than 20 kilometers from the finish line, could serve as the trigger at the end of the race. Involved in a heavy crash on Tour Des Flandres on Wednesday, Biniam, Ghirmay, and Laurens Rex did not sustain any fractures and are ready to lead Intermarche Wanty selection, alongside Mike Teunissen. The performance manager of the team said, "Our goal is to bring Biniam, Ghirmay, Laurens Rex, and Mike Teunissen in position for a good result." Following his heavy crash in Tour Des Flandres, Biniam Ghirmay's preparation is far from perfect, but he is very motivated. Our medical team is working with him every day to get him fit in time for the start.